What if your next classic car project cost less than $5,000? Today, we've found 20 affordable classics, from rare Corvette and vintage Camaro to muscle cars, Impalas, and forgotten American survivors.
Number 1. 1972 Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan 4D, $3,500, Wooster, Ohio. This 1972 Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan shows around 80,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and will fire up, making it a running project rather than a complete restoration candidate. The seller says it needs a brake line and steering column repairs due to a broken ignition system.
It has been sitting for several years but received a newer Edelbrock carburetor, HEI distributor, and ignition wires. Overall, it appears to be an affordable, full-size Buick project with some mechanical work still ahead. Number 2. 1960 Chevrolet Corvair, $4,000, Liberty, Tennessee. This 1960 Chevrolet Corvair reportedly runs, drives, and stops, with about 69,000 miles showing on the odometer. It spent time in storage and appears to be a complete car that has remained largely intact. The seller notes that all lights work, along with the speedometer and parking brake, although the fuel gauge is currently inoperative.
The tires hold air, but after sitting for a long period, they may need replacement before regular road use. Overall, it looks like a usable survivor that could benefit from general cleanup and maintenance. Number 3. 1969 Chevrolet Impala, $5,000, Custer, Wisconsin. This 1969 Chevrolet Impala four-door hardtop is described as a solid Montana car with a clear title. It shows approximately 100,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The seller has already begun improving the car with new tires and additional interior replacement parts. A leaking master brake cylinder is scheduled for replacement, while new seat covers and carpet are included.
Based on the description, this appears to be a largely complete driver that is gradually being refreshed. Number 4. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair, $5,000, Springfield, Missouri. This 1964 Chevrolet Corvair is described all as a daily driver with a clean title. Power comes from the rear-mounted 164 cubic inch engine, rated at 110 horsepower, one of the model's most distinctive features. The seller reports no rust and no dents, making it one of the cleaner vehicles in this group. While little additional information is provided, the car appears to be a roadworthy classic that can be enjoyed immediately, rather than requiring major restoration work.
Number 5. 1977 Buick Skylark Coupe 2D, $4,500, Wayne, OH. This 1977 Buick Skylark is a former barn find that had reportedly been off the road since 1998. It is powered by a 305 V8 and automatic transmission and currently runs, moves, and stops. Recent work includes fuel system service, cooling system repairs, fresh ignition components, and routine maintenance. The seller states that the floors, trunk, and frame remain very clean thanks to factory undercoating. Although the brake system has not been fully gone through, the car appears to be a solid survivor with significant preservation.
Number 6. 1970 Pontiac Catalina, $5,000, Manitowoc, Wisconsin. This 1970 Pontiac Catalina shows approximately 68,000 miles and is powered by an automatic drivetrain. The seller states that the engine still runs but suffers from a worn camshaft, a known issue on some Pontiac engines. Because of the camshaft problem, the car will need to be transported rather than driven home. Rust is reported in the lower quarter panels, but the floor and frame are described as solid. Overall, it appears to be a structurally sound project requiring mechanical attention. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Hardtop 2D, $4,000, Decatur, IL. This 1977 Chevrolet Corvette reportedly runs and drives and shows around 90,000 miles.
The seller purchased it from an estate sale and has limited history on the vehicle. A major issue is the brake system, as the brake pedal reportedly goes directly to the floor. The seller describes the engine and transmission as strong, while the frame appears solid with no major rust concerns. It looks like a classic Corvette project that will require immediate brake repairs before regular use. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $5,000, Springfield TN. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro is being sold without an engine, making it a project from the start. However, it includes a rebuilt turbo 350 automatic transmission, upgraded rear gears, and several drivetrain-related components. The body is described as decent overall, with minor floor rust, a good trunk, and solid frame rails. Brake work has already been performed, but the fuel tank will need attention due to rust contamination. For someone seeking a drivetrain swap project, this Camaro offers a substantial starting point. Number 9. 1966 Buick Riviera, $4,500, Pine Knot, Kentucky. This 1966 Buick Riviera is described as a fairly solid car, equipped with a later model 455 V8 and turbo 400 transmission. The engine runs, giving the project a functional foundation. The seller notes that the engine currently has a noise that will require diagnosis before serious driving. Aside from that issue, the car appears complete and remains an attractive entry point into one of Buick's most recognizable personal luxury models. Number 10. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu, $4,500, New Holka MS. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu is listed simply a roller, meaning it does not currently have a complete running drivetrain. Very few additional details are provided by the seller. Because of the limited information, buyers should expect a project requiring inspection and planning before restoration begins. As presented, it appears to be a foundation for a future build rather than a running classic ready for the road. Number 11. 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe 2D, $4,500, Plymouth, Indiana. This 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 comes equipped with a 302 V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. The seller states that the car runs and the brakes are functioning, making it a running project rather than a non-operational restoration. Recent work includes a new fuel tank and a new dual exhaust system. The car also features aftermarket seats and jegs wheels, giving it a slightly modified appearance. However, it still needs considerable work. The carburetor requires attention, the shifter bushings are worn, the keys have been lost, and the title situation may need to be sorted out before the car can be fully enjoyed. Number 12. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 230, $2,500, Wooster, Ohio. This 1976 Mercedes-Benz 230 is powered by a 4-cylinder engine backed by an automatic transmission. The seller reports that the car runs and drives despite spending several years parked. The body reportedly has some rust, but the underside appears solid. The rear bumper is included with the sale, and the car remains largely complete. While it could likely be driven, the seller recommends transporting it due to the long period of storage. Overall, it looks like an inexpensive classic Mercedes that needs recommissioning rather than major reconstruction.
Number 13. 1959 Jaguar Mark IX, $5,000, Valley City, Ohio. This 1959 Jaguar Mark IX is powered by a 3.8-liter inline-6 engine paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission. The seller states that the car runs and drives and has spent several years in heated indoor storage. The odometer shows approximately 21,000 miles, although actual mileage is unknown. The car appears complete overall and retains its large luxury sedan character. To become roadworthy, it will need additional attention. The air cleaner is missing, a fresh battery will be needed, and a thorough inspection would be wise after years of storage.
Number 14. 1962 Studebaker Lark, $3,500, Toledo, Ohio. This 1962 Studebaker Lark is a drivable classic equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The seller describes it as a strong candidate for a complete restoration. A substantial amount of maintenance has already been completed. Repairs include fuel system work, cooling system service, brake components, wheel bearings, seals, ignition parts, and various drivetrain items. With more than 92,000 miles showing, it remains a project, but much of the mechanical groundwork has already been addressed. For someone seeking a usable restoration candidate, this Lark appears to offer a solid starting point.
Number 15. 1976 Datsun 620 Long Bed, $4,800, Waterford, Michigan. This 1976 Datsun 620 Long Bed is a partially completed custom truck project. The vehicle has been modified for an LS installation and includes a 700R4 automatic transmission. The truck features a notched frame, custom driveshaft, custom transmission tunnel, wiring work, and replacement floor pans. The body is described as solid, although not perfect cosmetically. At this stage, the project still needs an engine and several finishing tasks before it can return to the road. It appears best suited for someone interested in completing an already started custom build. Number 16. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair, $4,500, Hillsboro, Wisconsin. This 1964 Chevrolet Corvair shows 54,120 miles and comes with a clean title. The seller reports that both the exterior and interior have been restored and that the car spent roughly 25 years stored indoors. The vehicle was reportedly running when purchased 2 years ago, but it has seen little activity since then. Its long-term storage may have helped preserve many components. Before returning to regular use, it will need rear brake work and new fuel lines. Overall, it appears to be a largely complete Corvair that requires some final mechanical attention.
Number 17. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 300D Sedan 4D, $2,500, Birmingham, Alabama. This 1976 Mercedes-Benz 300D is a diesel-powered sedan showing approximately 251,000 miles. Known for durability, these cars often remain on the road for decades when properly maintained. The seller states that the vehicle is being sold as is. A replacement alternator has already been installed, but the installation reportedly needs correction. Aside from that issue, little additional information is provided. Buyers should plan on troubleshooting the charging system before putting the car into regular service. Number 18. 1951 Nash Ambassador Air Flight, $5,000, Wayne, PA. This 1951 Nash Ambassador Air Flight is one of the more unusual vehicles in the lineup. The seller purchased it as a non-running project, but has since completed significant mechanical work. The car now runs, drives, and stops. Recent repairs include fuel system components, ignition parts, charging system work, and a 12-volt electrical conversion. Some rest repairs have already been completed, though additional cosmetic work remains. With a clean title and extra hood included, it appears to be a rare classic that has already received considerable effort.
Number 19. 1979 MG Midget,
$3,800, Elizabethtown, PA. This 1979 MG Midget is a compact British sports car showing 53,763 miles. It is equipped with a manual transmission and remains a running vehicle. According to the seller, the car starts and runs, but can occasionally be difficult to start. A carburetor cleaning may be needed to improve reliability. The car has reportedly been garage kept and comes with a clean title. Overall, it appears to be a usable driver that would benefit from some light tuning and maintenance. Number 20. 1978 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, $1,000, East Dubuque, Illinois. This 1978 Chevrolet K10 4x4 is powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. The truck has been sitting for years, but reportedly ran when it was parked. The seller states that all major parts remain with the truck, and it comes with a good title. However, mileage is unknown, and the vehicle currently has no battery. Rust is the biggest concern here. The truck has significant corrosion, including a deteriorated frame under the bed area. At this price point, it appears best suited for restoration, parts use, or a major project build. Which one would you bring home and restore? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy affordable classic car finds and honest project car listings, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next collection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.